Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to be taking my KPR out. If you guys follow my channel, you know that it's one of my favorite bikes. Probably is my favorite right now. And I want to show you something before I get going here. I bought something for it and I just installed it. As you can see, I got this addition, this extra length for my windshield. I'm kind of excited about it. I think it looks really good, and I think it's going to help deflect some of the airflow. I will get some underneath here. I don't know what it's going to be like because I haven't taken it out yet. So this morning we're going to take it out, but I want to show you a couple things. I'm going to put a link in the description to this because I think might be quite a few of you want to buy this because it looks good. It fits perfectly to the windshield, and it was only like $25. Real cheap. And when this thing comes, these arms are folded up, and it's kind of like, what do you do with that? How do you get that undone? Well, I want to show you. You just turn these things like that, and then this thing will flex and move. So all you got to do is just turn those a little bit. And then there's some locks down here too that locks it from swiveling right here. So you just unlock that and unlock these, and you can move it any direction you want. Then there's a couple of set screws here. There's two here that holds it to the windshield. And these hold really good because there's actually a lip on this windshield right here. And that's going to hold that from coming off. So I think that's going to work out really, really good. Let me get my jacket. Sorry for the mess in my garage. I got a lot of projects going on, and I'm kind of transitioning into what I'm going to be kind of spreading out just a little bit. Let's see if I can find me some gloves. I usually have a pair of gloves in every bike. See what I got in here, but there's a certain pair I'm looking for. It's not those. I think it's in my gold wing. Yep. I got these from Venom when I got this bike, actually. And these are my favorite gloves. I really like these gloves. They got the knuckle guards on them and everything. But we're going to take this thing for a spin, and we're going to see how it does with this windshield. I'm going to get it out here and shut the garage door. Hopefully you'll be able to see good enough on this camera because it's early in the morning. I love getting out early. I don't know, I guess I was just excited. I'm on vacation this week, and I guess I was just excited about things I wanted to get done and things we're going to do. So I couldn't sleep too well. I got up about 1 o'clock. Right now it's probably close to 4 in the morning. You know, you gotta love this fuel injection. I think fires right up and it runs really good. It has a little bit of a hiccup when it's cold with the accelerate hard, but once it warms up it all smooths out. Doesn't bother me at all. But this little windshield I got is a smoke. I think you could get them in clear as well. I've been looking for something to raise this up. I was going to get a whole new windshield and attach to it, but I couldn't really find any that looked good and looked like it would fit and work good without looking like a sore thumb on the bike. I can feel the air coming over the top. Looks like it really throws it to the side more. A lot of air's coming between the windshield, I think. But I think it's coming on both sides of it. I don't know if you guys ever heard of a Madstad windshield. I've had them before and they work fantastic. But it's on the same kind of principle where it's got air on both sides and it kind of really cuts down on the turbulence. And this one might as well. I'm just going to head to breakfast. Like I said, it's early, nothing's open. There's a 24-hour McDonald's up here. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I got a lot more things I want to do when I get back home. Got a busy day. A lot of bugs out. Hopefully this will help with the bugs too. I know it's not a lot. It's only about 4 inches, but that 4 inches will probably help a little bit. It's a nice cool morning. Boy, it's been blistering hot. Been like that all over the Midwest, the South. Yesterday, I think the temperature was 103, 116, 117 heat index. I know there's a lot of people around the world that has a lot more heat than what we do, but that's not normal for us. Today's going to be a normal day. I think it's only going to be like 90, 89 today. I think this rain will cool it off. It's already pretty cool. Feels really good actually. Perfect riding weather. This bike does so good on gas. Probably one of the best I've ever had as far as gas mileage. I haven't measured it lately, but I'll bet you anywhere from 80 to 90 miles per gallon is what I'm getting. Pretty close to that. Anyway, I made it to my destination here. Okay, I made it back from my first trip with my windshield extender, and I'm going to give you my thoughts on it. First, I'm going to show you the size of this. This is about almost 12 inches, about 11 3/4 inches. In the middle, it's about 4.5 inches high. This is kind of an up close of what it looks like. And I don't know if you can see or not, but there's a bunch of bugs on here because I was riding in the dark and I got hit with a lot of bugs on there. So that saved me from getting hit in the face with them. So that shows right there that the windshield is helping. So anyway, I just wanted to give my final thoughts on it, or my initial thoughts on it. Actually, this is my first ride with it, and I just want to say that I really like it so far. We'll see how it does. I got it adjusted pretty much straight up and down, but I like it the way that it is. So that's the looks of it. Okay, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. Please like if you like the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thanks. See you on the next one.